Hey everyone, if you're using Wise or thinking about getting a Wise card, you've probably noticed you can get both a physical card and up to 3 digital cards. But here's the thing. Most people don't actually understand the real differences between them, and that's costing them money and security. Today, I'm breaking down exactly which card you should use and when. If you're serious about saving money on international transactions, hit that subscribe button. Let's dive in. Quick context. Both cards are linked to the same Wise multi-currency account. They both use the mid-market exchange rate with low fees. But here's what makes them different. The physical card is the traditional plastic card that arrives by mail. One-time fee, around $7 to $9 depending on your region. You get one physical card per account. The digital card is completely virtual. It exists only in your Wise app. It's free once you've ordered a physical card, and you can have up to 3 digital cards at any time. Different card numbers than your physical card, which is actually a huge security advantage we'll talk about in a minute. Alright, let's get into what actually matters. ATM withdrawals. Physical card, full ATM access worldwide. Here's the fee structure. Pay attention because this is important. You get 2 free withdrawals per month or up to €200 equivalent, whichever comes first. After that, you're paying a fixed fee per withdrawal, AI, typically 50 cents to $1.5 depending on your region. There's also a variable fee. If you withdraw more than your free allowance in a month, you pay around 1.75% to 2% on the excess amount. Digital card. Here's where it gets interesting. Most ATMs don't support digital cards. However, some newer ATMs with contactless withdrawal capability will work with your digital card through Apple Pay or Google Pay, but it's not reliable. I wouldn't count on it. Bottom line, if you need cash regularly, physical card is non-negotiable. Security. This is the big one. Digital cards absolutely dominate here, and this is where most people are missing out. With digital cards, you get different card numbers from your physical card. This means if your digital card details get compromised online, your physical card is still completely safe. Here's the game changer. You can delete and replace your digital card up to 3 times per day, instantly. New card number, new CVV, old details stop working immediately. Think about this. You're buying from a sketchy website or using public Wi-Fi. Use your digital card, complete the purchase, then freeze or delete it immediately. Takes 10 seconds in the app. With a physical card, if it gets compromised, you're waiting weeks for a replacement and paying a fee. You can also have 3 separate digital cards for different purposes. One for subscriptions, one for online shopping, one for testing new merchants. If one gets compromised, the others are safe. Usage scenarios. Physical card. In-person chip and PIN payments, traditional card readers that don't support contactless, ATM withdrawals, backup when traveling in areas with limited contactless infrastructure. Digital card. Online shopping, subscription services, contactless in-person payments through Apple Pay or Google Pay, any situation where you're worried about card security, instant use, you can create it and start spending immediately without waiting for shipping. Spending limits and controls. Both cards share the same account limits, but here's what's useful. You can set individual spending limits for each card. This is powerful for budgeting. Set a strict limit on your online shopping digital card, a different limit on your subscriptions digital card, and keep your physical card for larger purchases. You're creating your own spending control system, the real cost difference. Physical card, one-time fee of $7 to $9, plus replacement fees if you lose it. Digital card, completely free after you've ordered your physical card. Zero cost to create, delete, or replace. Same fees for actual spending, no fee if you're spending a currency you hold, conversion fees from 0.33% if you don't have that currency. This applies to both cards equally. So here's my recommendation based on real usage. Get the physical card first. You need it to unlock digital cards anyway. Use it as your main card for ATM withdrawals and in-person payments where contactless isn't available. Then immediately create at least 2 digital cards. One for regular online shopping that you freeze after each major purchase. One for subscriptions and recurring payments. Keep your 3rd digital card slot open for testing new merchants or risky transactions. The people who understand the security model save themselves from fraud headaches and keep their accounts way more secure. The physical-digital combo is actually brilliant if you use it right. Links to Wise in the description th. Remember, you need to order that physical card first to unlock the digital cards. If this helped you understand the real difference, hit that like button. Subscribe for more practical money-saving tech content. I'll see you in the next one.